like I was saying, yeah, I want to travel to my friend just call me.
God have mercy upon us.
So I want to travel to Asaba now. So I will come back next week, please.
Asaba to do what? First of all, Asaba to do what?
My friend call me now.
Friend, so you want to run away?
Run away where?
Thought I don't know who you be.
My friend just called me and I want to go to Asaba.
No, you want to run away after putting this into here. You don't want.
Who
Want
say?
to now run
Who
away?
say? Now me give you belle.
No,
Now me give you belle.
it's my forefathers.
Now your forefathers give you belle now because I don't give you belle.
Oyosi, don't tie me, oh.
Don't try what?
This is not the time that I'm going to call you baby. Don't tie me,
Try
oh.
what now? Try what? Only
You get
wait,
it?
wait, I ask you. No, only this small something what I just do on 25 December.
25 December.
Oh, small something what I just do on 25 December. Now make you just carry belle.
So that small something cannot form this.
Come the time you say I may give you belle.
Now you are saying, oh, that small something on that 25